9 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. 4 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. 4 times 3 12, 2 times, which is 8, so 2. 2 times 4 8, subtract 1. So our answer is 2 remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. Write 2 times, that gives you 8. 2 times 4 8. Subtract 2. Bring down this 0. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 25 times, right? 5. 5 times 4 20. Subtract, you are getting 0. As your remainder is 0, you are done. So your answer is 2.25.